if you're familiar with the inverted wrist spins, these where you go through the loop in the middle when you're going from one side to the other, you can also try these funny continuous ones. So what you need are really the inverted wrist spins, so that when you hit the arm here, the whip goes through the loop, so that the whip wraps up from the hand towards the elbow in this direction. If you can only do the regular wrist spins, where the whip wraps up from the elbow towards the hand, that won't work. So first try the inverted ones. The funny effect of these inverted ones is that you wrap up here through the loop and the whip wraps up from the hand towards the elbow, that the tail end of the whip is at the open end of the arm, so that you can simply slide the fibers over the hand on your back to where you started. So you start at a point where the whip hits the wrist from the top, then you flip the fibers around, and the tail end can go around the hand and you bring it back in the same position. So you just keep the tension with the fiber hand, and you have the whip hanging on your wrist like this. So the handle at the outside. You can just flip it around, the tail end goes around, and then flip. Do it in one motion, this flipping and the tail end rotating around the hand. And you can do them in a row. So step by step you will get used to them and can do them smoothly just in a row like this. You shouldn't do too many in a row because, as you see, the whip gets twisted up like this. So if that happens, just switch hands and do the other hand, because that is, if you regard it from a wall plane point of view, the other direction, and that will untwist the whip. Same thing, spinning forwards or inwards on forwards on wheel plane, inwards on wall plane, to the point where the whip hits the wrist, and then this hand just flips the handle over, and the other hand keeps the tension and just pulls the fibers over the fingers. So you can just, in one motion, just flip, 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 like this. And when you can do both hands, you can just switch between them. So switching between them, the last, before I switch, I just let it flip into my hand. So from this over the wrist, and the last one just in the hand. Then you have it here in the forward grip for spinning. And I can do it on the other side. The last one, just open your hand and let it flip into your hand. And you can just switch back and forth.